If you suffer from headaches, migraines, or constant stress, you know how quickly they can ruin your entire day. Imagine having something simple, reusable, and drug-free that helps calm the pain within minutes. That's exactly why so many people are talking about the TheraICE Headache Relief Cap. This innovative cap combines cold therapy and gentle compression to target headache pain, migraines, sinus pressure, eye strain, and stress-related tension. Unlike traditional ice packs, the TheraICE cap wraps comfortably around your entire head, providing even cooling without dripping, slipping, or discomfort. Many buyers mention how easy it is to use. Just keep it in the freezer, put it on when pain hits, and relax. Customers frequently describe the sensation as deeply soothing, saying it helps them disconnect from pain and fall asleep faster during migraine episodes. The stretchy, soft material fits most head sizes comfortably and applies light pressure without feeling restrictive, which is something many users appreciate compared to bulky alternatives. Several reviewers also love how versatile it is, using it not only for migraines, but also for stress relief, screen fatigue, sinus pressure, and even after long workdays. What makes it even better is that it's reusable, durable, and completely medication-free, making it a great option for people who prefer natural relief methods. Whether you're dealing with chronic migraines or occasional headaches, the TheraICE Headache Relief Cap offers a simple way to feel better, relax more deeply, and regain control of your day. Sometimes, relief doesn't need to be complicated, it just needs to be effective.